Hello class 11, good morning. So we have started the poem Childhood written by Max Newton from the book Hornbill. Very interesting poem as you are at a right age because you have just crossed your childhood phase and you are in your adolescence right now. So this is something where Max Newton is talking about that childhood, the most interesting phase of any individual's life where you're very innocent, enjoying each and every moment of the life, no tensions, no worries you are having. So here what exactly happened, our poet has raised two questions. When did my childhood go and where did my childhood go? So in the first three stanzas, he raised the same question, when. And he got the answers firstly when he realized that hell and heaven does not exist in the geographical boundaries of books. Secondly, when he realized that adults, what they teach us, they are totally different in reality. Now third time again, poet has raised the question. Now the answer is in the form of mind. Mind was really mine, can produce own thoughts. So basically it says, when did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine? To use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of other people, but my own and mine alone was that the day. So when poet raised the question, when did my childhood go? So he came up with the answer that my mind is mine only. Basically, what Marx is trying to say that earlier, whatever other people used to tell me, I used to do that thing only. Instead of thinking about the pros and cons of that situation, instead of thinking what would be the consequences for that. But now when I realized that I can produce my own thoughts, I can come up to my own decisions, I can listen up to everyone, but still my mind can work. I can produce my own thoughts and decision. I'm having a control on my mind. This mind was really mine. Nobody else is guiding me or forcing me to do. I can take the things, decisions on my own. At that time I realized, now this is our transition period. From that innocence to maturity I have come across. So he got this third answer. Last question here is, where did my childhood go? Where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that's hidden in an infant's face. That's all I know. So when he got the answer of when, now he asked, where exactly my childhood has gone? Where my innocence time period has gone? I'm missing it. I want that time period back. So he said that I can't found that childhood now. It has gone to some forgotten place. I can't remember. I can't recall it. But yes, if I really need to see a childhood, but if I really need to see that innocence, I can see on any infant's face. While looking at infant face, I can say that yes, this is childhood. Otherwise, now things have changed, periods have changed, everything has changed now. So in this whole poem, Max Newton talked about it. When I realized three different things, I came to know that maturity has been come. I have come across to the next level. But if I really need to found that with childhood or innocence again, I can see it on the infant's face. I guess this poem is clear to you. Any doubt, please ask. As it's written here that three stanzas depict individuality, rationalism, hypocrisy. Right? So what is rationalism? First stanza depicts when he realized that hell and heaven does not exist in geography books. Hypocrisy, second stanza, where adults, what they teach us, in reality they are totally different. And third, individuality, when I realized that individually I can work with my mind, no need for depending on the others. So in this manner, this whole poem covers up. Very nice, very beautiful poem. Anything you want to raise or ask, you can. And please submit the work timely. Thank you and God bless you.